Good afternoon, everybody. Porch light here. Now, as y'all can see, let me take a back and let y'all see this gloriation. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 right? All right, well, here's what's going on. This was the plant that was over here, and I'm going to find something else to go there. And now it's shaded in, and there's a tomato plant here. These guys were some starts, and they were half off, so I went ahead and brought them. So no start 24 is over. We starting. All right. So basically, we got this going on. But the reason for this video is to give you an update on my new bed. So pretty much what I've been doing is I've been taking pots like these with all kind of stuff in them and just sitting them in. And as you can see, it already looks like it's been here for the last couple of weeks. I'm gonna sprinkle some manure and some bedding from the bunny cage and obviously some dirt. Mulch it up real nice and have it go to town. And we got everything from sunflowers to goji berries to stuffed bolting, even cherry trees. Now, I don't know if these are the native cherry trees or if they are the cherries that I've been dropping in these beds for the last 3 years. But look, y'all, we are really making some progress. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Came back for the 99 and 2000. Finally got my, I think this is my Asian pear. I don't know. Yeah, we doing it, y'all. We are doing it. Gotta check this drip line because I don't know if it's been dripping. But look, y'all, this is gonna be real. This was real quick. Oh man, look at, these are sunchokes, y'all. What are you doing there, huh? Some beetle. Boop. Okay. Oh yeah, we know what those are. Those them harlequins. Well, if need be, I just pull everything up out of here. I ain't even tripping. Because technically, these aren't food. These aren't food. I did not know there was so many out here. That is crazy. Oh boy. Yeah, we about to get big time out here, y'all. All right, well look, I'll let y'all go. I just wanted to show y'all the update. Honestly, that last video I did, I need to put that out. So hopefully y'all get that today, but we rocking and rolling in the garden, y'all. All right. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. All right, y'all, porch light out.